welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Elena, and today's video is going to be a full get ready with me. Yes ma'am, we are doing hair, we are doing our outfit, we are doing makeup, the whole shebang. So make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into this full get ready with me. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a 4 inside another liter. Woo child, who auntie up on this screen? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are about to get this head done. As you can see, I got my bonnet on and my scarf, but you know what, we're about to get this hair done and laid. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get right into it. So right now I am taking off my little scarf and adjusting my curls. As you can see, my curls are pretty okay, but I'm gonna touch them up a little bit. This is probably curls from like 2 days old. So now I'm gonna be taking the Remington wand, which I got from Walmart like a long time ago, but I still love this wand and it gives me the perfect curls. So I'm just gonna be touching up some of the hair that I think needed to be curled up a little bit, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And y'all, please ignore these flyaways. They are all over your girl's forehead. Just ignore them, honey. Now I'm going to be taking the BioSilk oil, and I love this oil because it doesn't make my hair feel weighed down. So definitely pick this up. I got mine from TJ Maxx. Now I'm going to be taking this ColourPop pencil and filling in my eyebrows. It is a must to fill in your eyebrows when you're trying to do a full beat. So that is what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette and taking this orangey shade and applying this in my crease. We are definitely going for like a bronzy orange rustic kind of look today. So that is what we're going to be doing, and just applying a bunch of colors in the crease. I will have all of the products that I'm using in this video listed in the description box, so definitely don't forget to check it out. And look at that lid shade, y'all. That is so pretty and pigmented. BH Cosmetics, okay, y'all stepping it up, aren't y'all? So now I'm going to be taking the Balm Swing liner, and I love this liner. It is so black, and just lining my lash line. And next I'm taking these Lily lashes and this Kiss glue, and boom, you got some lashes. So now we're going to be taking the Kiehl's Ultra Hydration Cream and applying this on my face. This is a dry girl's best friend. Love this stuff. And now I'm using the Morphe foundation. This stuff is full coverage and I am here for it. Love this shade, love this foundation. I have been wearing this non-stop and it photographs so beautifully. Definitely pick this up if you are in Ulta. It is good. And now I'm going to be taking the Fenty concealer and applying this underneath my eyes, on my nose, and my chin, and then blending that out. Love this concealer. It is so full coverage and hydrating. "5 hours of sleep where, sis?" And now we are taking the Laura Mercier. Y'all already know she is a OG, and we're just setting everywhere we place the concealer. So now I'm going to be taking this CoverGirl powder foundation, and I just like to apply this all over that foundation because it just makes it look even more flawless, and it adds a little bit more coverage like we need it to the foundation. Oh, and this bronzer, if you have not tried the ColourPop Rodeo bronzer, obsessed. It makes you look so sun-kissed and snatched. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia contour kit and contouring my cheekbones. And now I'm going to be applying this Buxom blush and adding a little color to the face. And now we are using Riri's Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty. This is my all-time favorite highlighter, and I love it so freaking much. And girl, is that MAC cork? Yes ma'am, I have brought MAC cork out, and we are applying that on the lips today, as well as using this lipstick LA Lady from ColourPop, and then topping that off with the Buxom lip gloss. So this is the finished hair and makeup. I'm wearing Kennedy Rose hair, and it is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this hair so much. I will definitely leave the link to Kennedy Rose hair down below, as well as I have a code with Kennedy hair, and it is Lipstick Elena for 10% off. So definitely check out their website and their Instagram to see their bundle deals on their website. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the outfit. This outfit is definitely something I would wear to brunch or on a little shopping day with my girls. The bodysuit is from Meshki. These pants are from Forever 21, as well as the bag. And I am just obsessed with this look so much. You can't forget the clear heels. I love my clear heels. So this is the outfit. Definitely make sure to check out my Instagram so you can see the little pic I post on this fit. And yeah. Okay, so that is the end of my full get ready with me. I really enjoyed filming this video. Definitely let me know if you would like to see more of these types of videos. I will definitely have everything linked in the description box. Everything with my hair, my outfit, my makeup, all those products will be listed down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye loves.